Hey, what's going on everyone? I'll show you how to craft skins in Apex Legends using crafting metals. First, make sure you have enough crafting metals, and you get these from opening Apex packs, which are these, Battle Pass, or special events and special challenges. Now, open up your Apex and load into the lobby. Once you're in the lobby, go to the Legends Locker tab, select the legend that you want the skin on, so let's say Wraith. Scroll down, find the skin that you want that says a crafting metal symbol. Click on that, and it will show you how much crafting metals is needed to craft that skin. Note that every rarity of the skin that you want to craft has different costs of crafting metals. Once you find the skin that you want, click on it and select craft, confirm your choice, and the skin will be unlocked instantly. After crafting, don't forget to equip it so it shows in game. One tip, save your crafting metals for legendary skins since they are the hardest to get and they're the most valuable. And that's it. That is how you craft skins in Apex Legends.